Bench UL300. This machine will are available for restore guys who paintings on vehicle are bodies and frames. The offered model has a lifting capability of approximately 7P700 and an adjustable top starting from 4.3 inches to 5.6 feet, in step with the description. It's a small model constructed with excessive alloy metal, tubing the use of European superior technology. It's so handy that the employee can manage the process alone, and the constructed in casters like the ones in grocery store purchasing carts assist it to transport around. And thinking about that, there had been 947 million passenger motors at the roads of the planet lowered back in 2015, the proprietors of those structures will manifestly have loads of paintings to do. BlueCave storage system. In any workshop, whether or not new buy or professional, garage will become a problem quicker or later. This in a single garage device will assist to keep away from litter and to constantly understand where in the entirety is. The major characteristic of the device are those drawers, which may be used each as wall lockers and as sporting cases. With a loadability of approximately 22 pounds, the same old set consists of a draw dividers and the rail. This version may be very versatile. It's smooth to personalize for a particular workshop, and it is going to be of hobby now, no longer best to dyers. However, additionally to fishermen, hunters, and campers. And a few human beings mount the device at once into their cars. The fee for a fix begins off evolved at $140. Mini-Ductor, Venom, HP. Of the tool lets in you to warmth simply the proper components of the piece without negative the rest. In addition, the heating will move flippantly throughout the complete circumference. That is, you do not want to continuously circulate the device. The producer gives numerous fashions with distinctive outputs. For example, one in a pair of fee begins off evolved at $650. AHCON DSL 3000 500 double scissor lift. Installing a scissor elevate in a workshop is regularly tough and time-consuming. Engineers from Denmark got here to the rescue with this device, which is straightforward to put in and really beneficial. According to the employer, it is a progressive elevate. It can elevate as much as approximately 7,700 pounds, and the space among the legs is flexibly adjustable. The elevate top is as much as 6.4 feet, and the width is adjustable from 4.3 to 9.8 feet. Thanks to the fast launch connection device, the elevate is straightforward to installation and hold, and is prepared to paintings with cars, vehicles, and SUVs. Jemms Nutrunner. What do you do whilst you want to eliminate more than one fasteners at once? In this case, multi-spindle attachments with an adapter for loads of cordless gear are available reachable. A huge gain is the potential to locate the suitable template for every precise operation, together with drilling, countersensing, or tapping. The wealthy choice of add-ons shortens the painting cycle. And because the spindles are powered via way of means of the equal motor, in addition they rotate on the equal speed, making sure excessive painting's quality. REMA TIP top. Now let's communicate approximately the gear from REMA TIP top. This employer's doing pretty well, which is apparent from its name. In the 2020 financial year, it controlled to attain income of around $1 billion, all way to their merchandise for tire restore. The team's merchandise consists of vulcanizing, warmth presses, balancing equipment, and loads of compounds, gear, and restore patches just like the ones proven at the display screen. This patch reduces restore time via way of means of approximately 40%, calls for no extra ventilation, and is appropriate even for tires that need to paintings in excessive conditions. A unique compound with excessive adhesion lets in you to sand the tire, making it appear like new. Strut Coil Spring Compressor Tool. Next up is a patented device that works with springs. The video educational is simply 90 seconds lengthy, and the layout gives energy and safety comparable equipment can most effective dream of. The description states the device weighs approximately 33 pounds and might resist a load of 4,000 pounds. You'll want a vise for paintings, and the blanketed protection ropes will make it safer. The unfold of the version is up to 8 inches and the charge for it is $300. Sadly, a few human beings complained with inside the comments as it is clean to scratch or fall down components while the use of the device. WDT 250 Water Drain Cleaning Tool. Next is the winner of the famed Seamer Show. It's taken into consideration one of the key occasions for producers of all sorts of automobile gizmos. The product we need to reveal you'll are available reachable for cleansing air ducts and drain holes. Experts recommend you to smooth them as a minimum more than 1 instances a year, due to the fact all sorts of dust progressively receives in there. Thanks to this device, the cleansing procedure could be quicker and less complicated. Basically, it is a bendy cord detail with fabric fibers, entire with mounts for cordless, drills and screwdrivers. The package deal weight to the package is ready 15 ounces, and it is compact and really smooth to use. Surprisingly, they may be asking $450 for it, although it would not consist of a screwdriver. Wheel Slogger. This device could be of super cost to experts who restore and hold vehicles and heavy equipment, together with tractors and harvesters. It substantially simplifies wheel elimination and mounting, permitting you to regulate the torque among 450 and 650 Newton meters. The employer is likewise inclined to make a 1000 Newton meter version upon request. The answer isn't best sensible, however additionally safe, as you not need to conflict with lengthy levers, pushing them together along with your complete frame and risking injury. There's additionally a Spark unfastened version that has a copper effect head. It's additionally an awful lot greater snug in restrained areas and lets in even one individual to do an excellent quantity of paintings. Here's some other device with a comparable function. It allows if a fastener is rusted or stuck. Just 15 seconds of induction heating is sufficient to remedy the problem. In addition, the device can also be beneficial for repairs. For example, it's going to straighten small dents inside the frame, assist with warmth, shrinking components, and heating for vinyl coating. 3D Wheel Alignment Stand. A nicely finished wheel alignment does now no longer best growth protection at the road. However, additionally reduces put on and tear for your tires. On your display screen is a 3D wheel alignment stands that makes the paintings of mechanics less complicated. The major characteristic is the system imaginative and prescient device. Using excessive decision cameras, it creates a duplicate of the suspension at the P, after which it compares its situation with the reference version for more accuracy. Special goals are constant at the wheels with the intention to make it less complicated for the device to aim. A big gain of those structures is they may be used proper after installation. No calibration is needed. They may be used inside the restore stores with inspection pits and elevators. The fee is massive though, beginning at $15,000.